Question number 176, assertion given is non-recombinant cells containing vector PBR322 can grow on the medium containing ampicillin and tetracycline. And this is a correct statement because native PBR322 contains functional ampicillin as well as tetracycline resistance genes. So they can grow on medium containing ampicillin and tetracycline. Now the reason given is non-recombinants contain both antibiotic resistance genes in intact form, thus are resistant to both antibiotics, and this is also a correct statement, and the given reason is the correct explanation for the above given assertion because host cells with PBR322 with intact ampicillin and tetracycline resistance genes can grow on medium containing ampicillin and tetracycline antibiotics. So as both assertion and reason are correct statements and the reason given correctly explains the above given assertion, we can mark the answer as 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 177, assertion given is Perith hormone is considered as hypercalcemic hormone, and this is a correct statement. Perith hormone is a hormone which is released from parathyroid gland. It's a proteinaceous hormone and it is considered as hypercalcemic hormone. Now the reason given is hypersecretion of perith hormone causes osteoporosis in humans due to increased osteoclast activity. And this is also a correct statement because hypersecretion of perith hormone causes increased levels of calcium in blood by resorption from bones and may lead to osteoporosis. But as the given reason is not a correct explanation for the above given assertion, so we can mark the answer as 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 178, assertion given is sexes are not separate, yet cross-fertilization occurs in sponges. And this is a true statement because sponges or poriferans are hermaphrodite in which sexes are not separate, they do not exhibit sexual dimorphism, but yet cross-fertilization occurs in sponges. And why they exhibit cross-fertilization? Due to protogyny. Protogyny, which is early maturation of female gamete in comparison to male gamete. So male and female gametes matures at different times, so self-fertilization is restricted in poriferans. Now the reason given is protogyny is predominant in poriferans, and this is a true statement, and as this reason correctly explains the above given assertion, we can mark the answer as 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 179, assertion given is accident causing injury to medulla oblongata would most likely result in impaired regulation of body temperature, and this is a false statement because accident injury to hypothalamus and not to medulla oblongata would most likely result in impaired regulation of body temperature because hypothalamus has center for thermoregulation. Now the reason given is medulla oblongata helps to maintain poikilothermy in humans, and this is also a false statement because humans are mammals and they exhibit homeothermy and not poikilothermy. Poikilothermic animals are fishes, amphibians and reptiles, whereas birds and mammals are homeothermic. Also, moreover, medulla oblongata do not maintain homeothermy in humans. It is hypothalamus that regulates body temperature and keep nearly 37 degrees Celsius in humans, so also named as thermostat of the body. So as both assertion and reason are false statements, so we can mark the answer as 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 180, assertion given is thyroid hormones do not require any membrane-bound receptors to produce their effects on target tissues, and this is a true statement because thyroid hormones are iodothyronins, and hormones belonging to this category, they do not require any membrane-bound receptors because thyroid hormone has intracellular receptors. Intracellular receptor. and not membrane-bound receptors to produce their effects on target tissues. Now, the reason given is, being lipid-soluble, iodothioronins can pass through plasma membrane and alter gene expression, and this is also a true statement because iodothioronins and steroid hormones are lipid-soluble hormones, and they directly cross plasma membrane and form hormone receptor complex intracellularly, which interacts with DNA to alter gene expression. So these iodothioronins do not require any membrane-bound receptors because they are lipid-soluble and can pass through plasma membrane directly to alter gene expression. And as the given reason is the correct explanation of the above given assertion, so we can mark the answer as 1. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all your doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Thank you very much for watching and all the best.